Want to make your Cloudflare account far more secure? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA for your Cloudflare login. By the end of this video, you'll not only have protected your account from unauthorized access, but you'll also understand exactly what's happening at each step, and why it matters for your security. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access your security settings. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you haven't logged in for a while, take a moment to check you're on the real Cloudflare website, just as a quick security habit. Once you're logged in, look up to the very top right of your screen. You'll see a little user icon. That's the one that usually has either your initials or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click there and a drop-down menu appears. Choose My Profile from that list. Now on the left sidebar, you might see a few different options depending on how your dashboard is set up. But you're looking for either authentication or security. They may be labeled slightly differently, but both will get you to the right place. Take your time scrolling down, better to double-check than miss it. Next, let's talk about your choices for two-factor authentication. Cloudflare supports 3 primary 2FA methods as of 2026. Let's break them down quickly so you can pick what's best for you. First up is the security key, and this is their recommended option for anyone who needs the highest level of protection. For example, if you manage business websites or sensitive user data. Security keys use FIDO2/Web Authentic, so think of hardware keys like UBIKey, or even the fingerprint sensor on your phone or laptop, like Touch ID or Windows Hello. It's literally something you have to physically touch or plug in, so it's a very tough barrier for hackers. The second method, probably the most popular, is using an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. This option is perfect for most users. It's secure, it's easy, and you don't need to plug anything in, just your phone. Finally, there's the email option, which sends a one-time code right to your email address. This is considered a fallback. It's convenient but not quite as secure as the other two options, because your protection depends on your email's security. For this walkthrough, I'll use the Authenticator app method, since that fits most people's needs. On your Cloudflare dashboard, under the two-factor authentication section, look for a button that says Add and give that a click. Select Authenticator app, and Cloudflare will pop up a QR code on your screen. Now grab your phone and open your favorite Authenticator app. If you've never used one, don't worry, it works a bit like scanning a menu at a restaurant. In your app, find the option to add a new account. Then just point your phone's camera at that QR code on your computer screen. Your app will instantly generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds or so. Go back to Cloudflare in your web browser and enter that 6-digit code where prompted. Make sure you type it in before it expires. But don't panic if you miss it, you can always wait for a fresh code. Once you've entered the code, Cloudflare will ask you for your account password. This is just to verify that it's really you making the change. Type that in and finally click Confirm. That's it. You've just enabled two-factor authentication on your Cloudflare account. From now on, even if someone somehow guesses your password, they'll still need access to your phone or hardware key to get in. A huge upgrade for your account protection. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or got stuck at a step, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials on keeping your online life secure and stress-free. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.